Hi, it's Simon from Tower Analytics, and I'm making this video to give you a quick demonstration of the Advanced Optimization functionality that's been recently deployed to production in TerraBroody. So what I've set up is a test scenario with some demonstration data. I have 22 jobs, and of these jobs, I have job 48, which I've assigned to have a type B04. I have also done that for job 43, and for job 47 and 46, I've set the type to B03 because I want these jobs to go in the botany 3 route, which I have set up with the botany 3 driver can serve jobs with type B03, and I want those specific jobs to go into the botany 3 route. The rest of the jobs have not been given a type and will be allocated by the optimizer in order to have an optimal distribution. And job 1 has been given a type that will not be served. It's been given a type tail lift, and no drivers have the type tail lift, so this job will end up in unserved jobs. Now I'll quickly run an optimization. So the algorithm will allocate the jobs as it sees fit. And as promised, job 1 has gone into unserved jobs. Botany 4 has been allocated job 48 and 43. And botany 3 has been allocated 47 and 46 as expected when we run the optimization. Now we'll cover the advanced optimization features. To run an advanced optimization, I open the timeline, and as normal, I can review my jobs and I can make changes as I see fit by dragging and dropping. Now, if I was to drag job 1 into botany 3, and then I was to click and run a normal optimization, it would kick job 1 out because it does not, botany 3 does not have the correct type to serve job 1. So now what we will do is we'll put job 1 into botany 4. That looks a bit more optimal. And what I will do in order to make sure we're doing an optimal route is I will right click on Reoptimize Run, and I will click Advanced Optimization. Now, once I open the Advanced Optimization window, I have 3 choices. Ignore type, so this will ignore the type of the job. So the B03 or the tail lift, as I showed you earlier. Equally, I can ignore a job's time window. This is the arrive after and leave by of a job. And finally, I can fix the starting job. So the starting job is whatever job I have first, the optimizer will consider that fixed in its location, and it will optimize the jobs from that first job that you as a planner have assigned, rather than optimizing from the driver's start location. So in this case, I'm going to ignore type and run optimization. And we can see that it's re-optimized the route. It's put job 1 last because job 1 has a time window. It must be delivered after 11 a.m. But it has not kicked job 1 out of the route. Now, equally, I decide that I want to do job 1 first. I can bring it in here, and the route will and I allocate it in the first position, and I can re-optimize with advanced optimization. And what I'm going to say is ignore type because I don't want job 1 to be kicked out. ignore time window. As a planner, I've decided that I can visit job 1 before 11 a.m. and I want to fix job start. I want to serve that job first, regardless uh, of any other constraints. So run the optimization, and we can see it's replanned the routes. And instead of serving job 1 last, it's now serving job 1 first, and it's effectively reversed the direction that the route is driving in. Now, similarly, if I wanted to adjust a route like botany 3, I could say I want to do job 32 first. I can bring it here, put job 32 in the first position or in the position that I want it to be. I can right click, Advanced Optimization, and fix job type and run the optimization. And that's going to plan an optimal route starting at job 32, and then the driver will work his way back to the warehouse. So that's a quick summary of advanced optimization in the Tara routing platform. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Tara Analytics and we will answer them. Thank you very much and have a good day.